guys, it's me Pravan.
And this is me Siddharth. Today we are going to see about
secrets of Instagram just discovered in the latest app update.
Before we jump into the video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you'll get instant updates whenever we upload a video.
And there's an important trick at the end of the video, so please watch the video till the end.
We all are tired of using the old and boring default Instagram filters. I have a cool trick to make your own custom made one. For that, go on to the text button, click on the period button and press the spacebar for 10 to 15 times. Again press the period button. Now you'll see a A inside a box. Press that twice for a transparent box. You can choose some colors for making your stories much more interesting. In this, I've chosen a plain one. After choosing the color, give done. Now resize it according to your photo. You may stretch and turn according to your photo. That's it. You got your own custom made filter.
Make your Instagram video calls interesting by sharing the posts and videos while you're continuing your video call. This content can also be seen by the person whom you're chatting with. Now click on the media and you'll have various options like live posts, saved posts and suggested posts. Then click on the favorite one and you got it. Have you ever wondered how to make a good looking profile of your account? Let me show you how to do it. First open your browser and search for igfonts.io in the search bar, or the link will be available in the description below. Then type your text in the space. Now you'll have various font styles below. Just copy the one you want to. Now go to Instagram. Then click on the button Edit Profile and click on Bio. Simply just paste it. Okay, and you just got it.
Drawing arrow marks in your Instagram stories are little hectic to do, but if you have noticed properly, Instagram provides help towards it. Go on to the free drawing button, click on the arrow mark symbol and choose some color and draw the symbol you would like to. Like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon.
There are three variants of Boomerang video in Instagram. Let me show you how to navigate to it. First, stick your Boomerang video in Instagram. Then click on the infinite kind of symbol in the Instagram video. Now you will be able to see the three variants of Boomerang videos. First one is a slow motion effect. The second one is an echo effect. Third one is a duo effect. You could select whichever you want to.
Instagram records every single detail that you have entered in this account. You no need to worry. I'll show you where it gets stored. For that, go on to the settings. Click on security and you will see an option called access data. Click it. Now you'll see every information about your account info, your profile infos, the connections, that is the accounts following you, the accounts you follow, the accounts you're blocked, even your accounts that you hide your stories from. It also shows your account activities, logins, logouts and search history, the story activities, and for the last, the best, the ads. It shows every single ad that you have seen in this account. See, it shows every single ad. If you click on view more, it shows every ad in this. It goes on endless.
Thanks for watching. If you admire our video, then like, share and subscribe to our channel, and if you have any suggestions, then comment below.